All right, what's up, everybody? 5 years ago, if you guys, some of you subscribers still remember this truck. This is my 2007 Century Class with a Detroit 14-liter motor in it. You guys can remember, I rebuilt this truck in the backyard. If you can go see my previous videos, that was 5 years ago. That's the sound you hear. Draining some coolant at the bottom of it. And when I rebuilt this truck, due to money issues, I didn't get the counterbores cut. I bought an Interstate McBee rebuild kit, and I did not cut the counterbores, but it's lasted a couple 100,000 miles over 5 years. I don't drive much. I mean, I'm a log truck driver, so I drive local, you know, a couple 100 miles a day or something like that, but I don't work every day of the week either, so 4 days a week. But this is what it's done. Those of you can already guessed, I'm pretty sure it's blew a head gasket. I'm 99.9% sure. So what I'm about to do now is break it back down and have a guy come out and cut the counterbores and put it back together. I only have a couple 100,000 miles on that new kit, so I'm pretty sure I can just pull it out and put all new seals back on it and put it all back together. Should be fine. If not, I'll just buy me another truck, because I mean, I done got, you know, I done made plenty of money with this truck. So 5 years on the rebuild. I ain't gonna cry about it. I ain't mad at it. I've done it myself, saved a ton of money, learned a lot of stuff. And also learned, when you get your damn truck rebuilt, cut your counterbores. Just go ahead and do it. Because remember, if a shop don't cut your counterbores, they only have to warranty it for a year. And a lot of times, I mean, your trucks, if you don't cut the counterbores, and even if you run it hard, your head gasket and all, it's gonna last a year more likely, you know, unless your counterbores is just real bad. But anyway, I always tell your shop to cut the counterbores. If they don't want to, man, go somewhere else. You gotta be done, or you're gonna have to do this again. So let's take this journey again and walk back around here. Let's take this journey again, and I'll take you guys along. Subscribe. I'll be doing some more in-depth video, because I got to take it all the way back down again. I'm talking about pistons. I don't have to do the main bearings, take them off, but I have to take the rod bearings. I have to take everything, the pistons, the liners, all back out, and have the counterbores cut. So I was just getting around here. I said, you know what, I'm gonna do a video. If I have a bunch of people interested in it, I'll keep going. I'll know by when I post this video here up. So got a lot of interest. You know, a few comments here and there. I'll make an in-depth video, and y'all see how I do it again in the backyard by myself. I'm gonna have somebody come out and with a tractor and pick the head up and put it back down. But I'll be filming that too. So see, I'm a log truck driver. I'm just cleaning that battery box off, about to pull it off and disconnect the battery. I said, you know what, let's do another video and a little more in-depth, and if I get some interest, if you find value in this stuff I'm doing, subscribe, man, and let's do it again. So we're gonna let that water drain out. It's pure water, because don't try no Blue Devil head gasket. That stuff don't work. You don't want to do that anyway. But anyway, it's not the EGR cooler. Done check that. It's not the water pump. I mean the air compressor putting pressure back in my coolant. Pretty sure it's the head gasket. Anyway, subscribe so you'll see more videos, and let's get it, man.